And there's my lovely wife cooking a hat. She's actually steaming the hat to reshape it. It's hot.
Hot.
Steam.
Steam is hot.
Steam is
Bodies
hot.
are protein.
Bodies are protein, exactly. And voila. Put it on the shape. Stretch it nicely. I'll probably need a second shot or third.
This one's going well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got to do this until it cools down. So it takes its shape. And then you leave it on the shape for a while.
And then I will spray the inside with some shellac.
Shellac it. To give it shape. Retainable.
Retainable shape, yeah. This one might need
A second steam. I'm going to go on this side. Maybe have a better light.
Better light?
Because, you know, that reflection off the floor is not the bestest thing.
So I'm going through all of the old hats at the Hab.
Port Royal Habitation.
Port Royal Habitation. And
Link will be down below.
giving them a new lease on life. Some of them haven't been touched in about a decade.
It's a simple process, but that needs to be done regularly.
Yeah, I mean, your clothes need to be laundered, they need to be mended, hats need to be cared for. There. Fluff.
Fluff hat done.
Fluff.
And now we're going to go with
Ooh,
the
we're going with wool hat.
wool hat.
That I think used to be a Stetson.
It's got the markings.
It has the markings of Stetson.
Yeah. Yeah. Steam it till you cook it. Cook it good. Do 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 do.
You see the steam coming up through here now.
Yeah. It's a good sign. It means the inside is nice and
I'm hoping to
warmish.
Get rid of these creases.
Yeah, the finger crease when you put your hat on. Like a fedora.
Yeah.
Nice block of wood there, shaped to
Yeah, this one's an old-fashioned hat block.
yeah.
My friend Ken brought me a whole bunch of them over. They're coming in handy. This one is a foam one that my friend at the Maritime Museum made for me with a bunch of extra foam and the bandsaw.
Cool.
And no, I do not profess to be a hat maker. I'm just a resourceful costumer. This one won't need as much work. It's been not that long since it's been looked after. Some of them have been in pretty hard shape.
Oh, the first one you did there,
Yeah.
the all ripped, chewed up. There.
There. Once this is dry and cool, I'll flatten the brim out again. Hold that thought.
Hold that thought. We're holding. There she's leaving, going into the studio.
Okay, so this is one of those hard woebegone hats.
Oh boy, it's got chimneys on.
It's got chimneys.
Yeah.
And if you've got a leather band in it, take it out.
Yeah, because, well, first of all, leather and heat,
Leather, heat, and moisture, man.
they'll shrink up real good. Yep. And you won't be able to put on the hat block.
No.
Yeah, this has been rode hard and put away wet, huh?
I don't think it was ever put away.
Okay. Just left outside the...
Yeah, left outside, left in a room. Probably worn for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, looks kind of sexy.
So that's my hat block there.
This is your hat block, yeah.
718. Yep.
Yep. You're not the only one with a small head.
What do you mean small? Normal head.
No, yeah, normal head. Normal head. Unlike the gargantuan cranium that I have. 7 3/4. Yeah.
Look, steam is coming out of the pores.
Out of
Not
the
just the
pores,
chimneys.
Not just the chimney. Let's see if we can do anything with this, or will it tear?
Yeah, it could.
Oh.
So yes, this is not only a cooking stove, it's a steaming pot, a
Dye bath in the sink. Yeah. My friend Lexi likes to play the game. Is this an experiment, or is it food?
oh yeah. How's it
She
going?
likes to do chemistry in her kitchen.
It's
I
still
think I'm just gonna leave that
the top
a little
fluffy like
nasty.
this. Yeah, it gives it character.
It does a bit.
It's gonna. Well, we'll see when it dries and all
Yeah.
that.
I don't know.
Maybe stitch it. No,
No.
not even gonna bother.
Maybe not bother. Maybe turf it. Maybe go get the taller hat block.
Taller head block.
Taller hat block.
Yeah, that one there is gonna look all right. It's gonna have heritage on it. I think it's gonna look all right.
Okay.
You shellac it. Give it another band. Huh? What do you think?
Yeah. Maybe once I get your low-class sailor's clothes made. This could be
Ooh.
your low-class sailor's hat.
What do you mean low class?
Well, you're not going to be wearing wool. I'm not going to put you in a fancy suit ever again.
Nope.
Okay.
Et voila.
Et voila.
Again, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up.
Hit the subscribe button and the dingly bell too for notifications on when I'm doing this again. Welcome to my Sunday morning.
Which is Tuesday, but it's their Sunday.
But it's my Sunday.